Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This Silverado is featured in the North Sky Blue metallic paint finish and is the LT Trail Boss trim. Under the hood we have a 5.3-liter V8 engine paired to a 8-speed automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. Inside the vehicle we have 5-passenger seating on our jet black leather seating surfaces. Heated seats in the front of the vehicle with a power driver seat. We also have our powered sunroof, a heated steering wheel, as well as more inside the vehicle. Outside the vehicle, we have a 2-inch factory lift, alloy wheels, a chrome assist step, power tailgate, tonneau cover, as well as a spray-on bedliner. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, power mirrors, and power windows with a child safety lock for the rear windows. Bottom of the door has some storage and our Bose speaker. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, we have our tow and drive mode, all of our transfer case settings, as well as our lighting controls. Electronic parking brake below. Driver's seat has a power setting with power lumbar and is finished in our jet black leather. Getting into the vehicle and looking above the steering wheel, we can see our display cluster. We have a digital information system in the center that we can drag throughout. Down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all of our cruise settings, our heated steering wheel, and some audio controls hidden behind. On the right-hand side, we have voice recognition, hands-free, controls for our display cluster information system, as well as more audio controls behind. Push to start ignition below to the right, and our shifter up on the right-hand side of the steering wheel. Moving to the middle, we have our infotainment system, AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth media, phone connection, a Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple Carplay, and Android Auto. Trailering lights are on the first page. Second page, we have our apps, OnStar services, climate control, our camera, which is our backup camera, with adaptive hitch and a hitch view setting. Second page also has My Chevrolet, Alexa, Spotify, and our Maps Plus. Below it, we have volume, home, back, seek, and menu controls if we don't want to be using the touchscreen. Then we have dual zone front climate control with front and rear defrost, a sync setting, fan controls in the middle, and all of our settings around. Below it, heated seat back and seat cushion, or just the seat back for driver, as well as passenger for the same settings. Then we have our downhill assist, auto stop start, power tailgate, hazard lights, traction control, and a way to turn on the 120 volt plugs. An integrated trailer brake controller below that. USB-C, USB, 12 volt, and 120 volt plug for our front occupants. Some storage, 2 cup holders as well with storage. You can see our key here. On our key, locks and unlocks, remote start, powered tailgate, as well as alarm system. We have a leather finish center console behind with some storage. Inside, deep storage, an SD slot, USB-C, USB, and aux input. Passenger seat is also finished in our jet black leather, heated for the passenger. Moving above the rearview mirror at the front, we have our OnStar settings. Dome lights on either side with dome lighting controls across the front. Slide and tilt sunroof settings. Power sliding third rear window. Universal garage door opener with our 3 settings. And then our sunroof in the front of the vehicle. Now walking down the side of the vehicle. Moving down to the front tire and rim, we have our alloy rim with a Chevrolet bow tie center cap and a Dueler all-terrain tire. Moving out, we have paint match mirrors with our black door handles, as well as our chrome assist step across the bottom of the vehicle. All the way around at the back, Trail Boss badging, as well as corner bumper steps. Back of the vehicle has Chevrolet etched into our tailgate with Silverado and LT badging in chrome, dual chrome exhaust tips. Our powered tailgate that we can open with the press of a button. In the bed of the truck, we have our cable tie-downs, 120 volt plug, and in-bed lighting, as well as more tie-downs at the back, spray-on bedliner, as well as our hard folding tonneau cover above. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as some storage and our speaker. Inside the vehicle, storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat. 2 cup holders in the center with some storage. Below it, we have 2 vents, a USB-C, USB, and flip-open 12-volt plug for charging. All-weather vinyl floor mats across the floor, and the seats are a jet black leather finish in a 60/40 fold-up split. In the center seat, 2 foldable cup holders with some storage. Power sliding third rear window behind it. In the outboard seats, we have our storage compartments, which consist of in-seat storage. If we lift up on the bottom of the seats, we can fold them up in our 60/40 format, and we have under-seat storage. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.